Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sidney Marilyn. Oh my god, this video is crazy. I've been waiting for this video for a very long time. But before I get into this video and before I move on, I have a special announcement. That special announcement is that I said this in the previous video that I did of the Idol X Cosmetics BTS Dynamite makeup palette that I did. I'm doing a giveaway, special giveaway for you guys. I bought one more of these palettes. If you guys haven't already seen the previous video, I talked more about this palette in detail. You guys can go check that out. I will have a little pop tag thingamabob up here somewhere, so you guys can go check that video out. The giveaway entry instructions are to leave your name down below in the comments. So leave your name, leave where you're from, leave your Instagram so that I can follow you back personally. And also I added a bonus entry for each and every one of you who wants to enter like 2 times or more, multiple times. You can leave your favorite BTS song down below in the comments with the previous comment that I said right now. But yes, that is just instructions for the giveaway entry for this Dynamite makeup palette. Remember, if you guys haven't already, please like, subscribe, share it to friends, share it to armies, share it to K-pop stans out there who haven't already watched my videos. But let's move on. Okay, so this video is specifically for this one little thing that I bought, and I've been waiting to unbox this. If you guys haven't already seen the title of this video, we are unboxing the new BTS Be Essential album. I believe that's what it's called. We are unveiling this marvelous little thing that I have here. As you guys can see, I haven't opened it because I wanted to open it with you guys. So we're just gonna see what's in here. I haven't seen any like sneak peeks of this before, but I am in love with these stickers. I hope they come off so that I can put them in like my phone water bottle, wherever they can come. So yeah, let's move on to the rest of this video. So here is the marvelous Be Essential album. The stickers are on the outside of this plastic thing that covers the album. I'm hoping they come off. I don't want to ruin it, you know. Okay, they're not coming off. I will find another way to take these off. I'm just gonna open this. Oh wow, this is cool. It's like a what do you call it, like inserted, not open, you know, that type of thing. If you guys like seen what is it, I believe they're like DVDs that like come out like this. Wait, I think they have an album that comes out like that. I don't know why they did it like that. They should have just like put it like in a sheet so that you had the option of putting it wherever you wanted to, you know. BTS, if you're out there listening to me, whoever manufactured this, please take this into consideration. This is not helpful at all. It's so white, so pretty. This looks exactly like the B album. Wait, let me go get it. I was saying, this is the B album, the big thick one, and then this is the Be Essential album. As you can see the difference of the size. One of them is bigger, the other one is a little bit more smaller. I'm guessing because it doesn't have as much. It's just promotional reasons, I believe. Okay, so we're gonna be unveiling this. I will switch the camera so that you guys can see what I am seeing, and so that I don't bore you guys just with my face. So as you can see, I switched up the camera so that you guys can see what I'm seeing. We're gonna open this. Let's do this big one right here. Okay, we have this B small little card thing. Oh my god. JK! Okay, so basically it's the same thing, but it's just like different photos, exclusive photos, I believe, of the members that they probably took, or they took behind the scenes, as everybody knows. And then here are the tracks, and also special thanks from all the members. Let's flip to the front of it. Mr. Worldwide Handsome, J-Hope. Okay, that is pretty cool. Imagine that as like a wallpaper. Okay, now for these card thingamabobbers. Okay, first one, Mr. Worldwide Handsome Jin. Then this is my code for whatever code they use thingamabob. Here we have J Hope. That's cute. Then we have V. And then we have JK. And then Jimin. And then our precious little Yoonji. And then RM. And finally the whole group. Oh my god. This is Brandy. Okay, so that's basically all that's in this part of the book thingy. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. That's everything that's inside of this small little thing. The next thing, there's like, wow, okay, that's what I'm talking about. Like, it just slides out. Oh my god. B album. Oh, I'm holding it backwards. B album, another B album. So pretty, so white, so elegant. And then we have a poster. I'm gonna switch the camera so that you guys can see this with me all opened, and yeah, basically that's it. That's all that's inside of this. It's just something special for armies, I believe. So let me show you the poster. Okay, we are back. So the post, as you can see, sorry, basically everything is just the same as the B album, but this one just has all of the photo cards of each and every member and the group photo card too as well. So it's not just like whatever album you get is a different type of member, like lucky draw gets whatever member. These are all of them all together. That's what I like about, like, they make different albums, because then you can like get whatever member you want, and like it doesn't really matter like who you get. Like, you have all 7 members, like who wouldn't want that, right? But yeah, basically that's all we got, all 7 members, and then we got one of the cards of just all of the members, this one right here. So those are all the 8 cards in total. Oh my god, I need to put this up on my wall. I wish these were like rolled up in like a little tube, because it's like all bent. I don't want a bent poster. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Isn't that amazing? I'm in love. I'm in love. Okay, these are so pretty. This is gonna go up in my wall right now once I'm done with this video. So yeah, that's just a different poster from the original one. I believe the original was black and white. The CD inside, it has the book with all the photos. They said these are like probably more exclusive. They're like the ones the members took themselves, or just behind the scene cuts that they didn't want to publish in the first one that they did. But yes, that is basically it. I like this design without a doubt. I feel like it's better than the other one, because the other one was ripping like everywhere. If you, okay, I can't put this back. So yes, I will leave a link for you guys so that you guys can go watch the Idol X Cosmetics palette makeup thingamabob from BTS Dynamite, and also the Love Yourself one, so you guys can go check that one out too. But yes, that is it for today's video. Before I end this, remember the giveaway is still going on until April 23rd, I believe. I will leave the date up here somewhere so that you guys can have a chance to enter the giveaway. The instructions are going to be down below so that you guys can go check that out. And yes, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it to friends, share it to army, share it to K-pop stands. I love you guys all so much. Please enter the giveaway so that you guys can win that amazing palette. And yes, that is it for today's video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.